just sand, a piece of paper, and olive oil will restore your house or building project that has been bewitched by your evil enemies. Good morning, my viewers. My name is Maria, your spiritual guide. If you're watching me for the first time, subscribe, share, like, follow. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you can be notified. Now, some of you have been building houses and they have been bewitched. A house, you have the money, but you cannot even raise your house up to the rooftop. Maybe it has spent years and years and years. It is stuck because evil people have cursed it, have bewitched it, have done all possible things to see it fail. Please, this is what you're going to do. You will get for me olive oil and soil, a piece of paper and a pen. Yes, you can restore your building project. You can complete, you can finish your house project that your father started, that your uncle started, that your mother and auntie started, that you started but has been stuck, that has been incomplete, that has been cast beyond human control. Yes, this is what you're going to do. You will get a piece of paper. Get a piece of paper and write there, all evil men, all evil women, all evil spirits working against my project. Okay? After writing that, get soil. Okay? Get soil and you power on your piece of paper. Get soil like this and you power on your piece of paper. After powering the soil on your piece of paper, get your olive oil and power on that soil that is on the piece of paper that you wrote on. Okay, this is my olive oil and I'm powering it on my soil. Okay, you see, this is how you bring for me a small Kavera. Hey, a kiss, one kissing. You power it like this. This is a mixture. You hurry. This is a mixture. They are down there, down that whatever. You get a mixture of soil, olive oil. You put them on that information that I have stated. Okay. After that, you can get something to support. You come and add for me olive oil here. You put in a whatever. Come and pour here. You pass there. I want you to pour when people sing, but don't show your face here, please. Yeah, you see? Yeah, that's enough. So, after putting, soil is a very, very, very powerful tool. Olive oil is also more powerful, okay? So, after doing this, you can see my paper is wet with soil, with the olive oil. You pray. You say, I connect this earth to all my evil enemies, to all my project evil enemies, all men, all women, all spirits who have bewitched, who have cursed my house, my father's house, my grandfather, like you mentioned, As I pour this soil on that land, as I pour this soil on that house, may everything be restored. May the project be completed in the mighty name of Allah, in the mighty name of Jesus. Any evil, any witchcraft, any evil spells, any evil charms, any hexes, any jinxes, any vowels, any bewitchments that were used, any incarnations, any enchantments that were used to bewitch this house, wherever they went, whatever they used as a point of contact, I destroy it, I render it powerless. No one has authority over my life, over my dreams, over my visions, over my projects, except God. Therefore, I release and restore my building projects. I will get finances. I will get finances to complete my project in the mighty name of God. After that, you can keep this combination. Please. What is the problem? Dudu has beaten you? Okay, sorry, I'm recording a video. Sorry. After that, guys, I'm sorry, I'm a mother and I have nothing to do about this. I have no control, so bear with me, please. Yes, after praying, go and keep this soil somewhere safe. The next day, return it and still pray. The same soil, okay? You can put it on a special surface, such that the olive oil cannot darten. You see, I have put it on this, so the olive oil cannot go through. Yes, you pray the next day. Read scriptures over it. Pray the third day. You can get enough soil. Get enough soil, more than this. Pray day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7 days, go and get soil and you throw it in your house. You throw it around your house. You say, you speak restoration. You speak completion on your project in the mighty name of God. Yes. Do that. Just that. Just olive oil, soil, and your faith and prayer. It will work for you. I want you to come back with testimonies. Come back with this testimonies on this post. God is wonderful. God is powerful, and He's there for everyone. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to leave a super thanks if you're watching me on YouTube. Don't forget to join my paid membership class on YouTube. Don't forget to pay for private guidance. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow, to like. Please like this video and it will work for you. Thank you for watching me. Goodbye and God bless you.